Hi there, and welcome to this quick and useful tutorial. If you're finding your touchpad cursor too slow or too fast on your Windows 10 laptop, don't worry, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to adjust your touchpad cursor speed easily and quickly. First, right-click on the Start menu icon in the lower left corner of your screen. From the list that appears, click on Settings. Then, in the Settings window, click on Devices. Now on the left-hand side, click on Touchpad. Find the section called Change the Cursor Speed. You will see a slider. Drag the slider to the right to increase the speed, or to the left to decrease the speed, depending on your preference. Test the cursor movement and adjust again if necessary until you're satisfied with the speed. And that's all there is to it. Changing your touchpad cursor speed is quick and simple once you know where to look. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more of our videos.